Has government been effective in taming inflation? I'll repeat. Has government been effective in taming inflation?
So it's basically rising prices.
Yes.
Taming inflation.
Yes.
Taming means
Controlling inflation means
Controlling.
what? Controlling inflation. Has the government been effective in controlling it?
You may start the discussion now.
Good afternoon. I would like to say that no, the government has not been able to control inflation. The best example is the petrol prices. We can see the hike in petrol prices nearly around every month, and even the fruits and vegetables. There's a lot of
the
hike
daily
in
wage
prices.
people are suffer more.
Yeah, exactly. The poor sections are suffering more due to
They
that.
have to cut down their
support a point.
livelihood to earn less more. They have to cut down their livelihoods to earn better for these children, and they have to cut down their budgets so that they can improve your lifestyle and all that.
The government has adopted various policies, taken out various plans, but still it's not working. Just inflation is on rise only. The newly formed government is not at all effective. Congress.
But I against it, because it's not in the control of the government. It's because of the companies of petroleum. They are seeking the loss. That's why there is no control of the government to control the price of the
But they
petrol.
can provide subsidies on that for helping the
they can
poor
provide
sections.
subsidies.
They can
Gentlemen,
give subsidies.
Employment allowances.
Now the Pranab Mukherjee.
I think so. No, they are not taking any steps. They are not taking any steps. They are only giving, people.
Now they
Chance.
are
imposing
that-
taxes on the branded products and the petrol and other.
Now the Pranab Mukherjee.
The main
reduce
problem
tax,
is,
reduce the tax, reduce the import duty of gold.
Not even petroleum, other products like basic commodities.
Yeah, like daily
It's
products.
very difficult for normal people like us to afford it and lavishly drink a cup of milk every day. Normal people like us are not able to.
And of the
And-
total produce
and-
only
and,
and of the total produce only 20 to 30% survive till it goes to the consumers due to lack of storage facilities.
Due to
I
this,
agree.
poor people
But
are
nowadays-
committing
but
suicide and all.
nowadays the needs,
They are stressed.
the
they are-
needs of the government is, the needs of people is so high.
Much of the produce go
Yeah,
waste.
yeah.
So
They
it's a
they
big
need
loss
lots of
Loss,
money.
yeah.
for the
Friend, I
government
agree.
They are
as a whole.
committing
Yes.
It's
yeah.
not about the needs. We are talking about the basic needs like cylinders.
The
and
human wives have to cut down
Yes.
their
fruits
budget.
and vegetables.
They have to
are
first
some
see their
necessities, the
budget
budget
for needs, then to satisfy
Yeah, they are
I
not.
agree with your point of view, but you see that the prices in here, petroleum prices, we are paying 73 rupees in Sri Lanka. It's not even crossing 50
Yes,
rupees.
it is
It's-
because,
yesterday came into the newspaper. So how is the government doing
It is
anything
because
for
the
the
value
people?
added tax that it adds up in it, and it makes it very costly. Petroleum prices, I'm talking about it.
Yeah, so that we have to take control, na.
Yes.
In that only we have
We
to.
have to reduce the
Yeah,
price.
yeah. We have
I
to.
want to say something. It's
becoming very difficult for common people, not higher society of the.
Yeah, that's the main point.
We are just pointing out
Yeah,
at the poor
that's the main point.
because they are not able to, lavishly spend their
They were
life.
never used to spend lavishly as well. The poorer are
But
becoming more
now
poorer,
we're
the
talking
richer are
about
becoming more
the
richer.
necessary
Yeah.
things, the
increasing
essentials of
prices.
life. We're not talking
Due to
That are
increase in-
making
yeah.
even them poorer, basic
But the,
necessities.
Yeah, that's the main
the main
point.
effect is
Most
that
of the natural resources-
the population is of our country is so
Most
high.
of the natural resources that our country produces are in the hands of are in few hands. Many
They always have
Yeah.
been
The government
in few
has-
hands,
have
only,
to
only
reduce
who
the
have
unnecessary
only who have the access to the
expenditure.
technology
Only
to
they-
find
So
them.
the government is not expanding their unnecessary. Their expenditure on the people. On
Government
the,
is spending unnecessary
Unnecessary,
money.
Yeah, they are.
Every day in newspaper
They are
you can
spending.
see many scams.
I have not
and all
even
that.
seen
The-
a normal
the-
step that government has taken to improve the lives of normal people, to make them stay a better or a considerably not a lavish life but a normal accordingly life that normal people should
Some
live.
people are living.
the government
Some
has
people
the
are
government
living.
has not its treasury. That is
and due to this problem, this wastage and petroleum problems and all, our price of Indian rupee is
That
falling
is
down day by day.
Yeah, it's
and
falling down.
almost, I think it will go down to, I think 50
50
six-
rupees.
See,
50
inflation
rupees
means
in a
rising in the
day.
price.
Yeah, 50
Listen,
per dollar.
inflation is rising in the price, but it doesn't mean that it go up to any extent. It doesn't
Well,
mean
it can go, it can go. If control is not taken place, it can go. It will go.
The
It have to
economy is
control,
going
na?
to get affected in a very bad manner.
Yeah, that's why we are saying.
Our
That's what
Indian
we
rupee will lose its value then in
But
international
somehow it
market.
is providing a positive point also. It is helps in the development of the society and the
yeah.
Inflation.
How can it will be different? If
It's
it,
also affecting the imports and exports.
making roads and
Imports and exports
highways,
Yeah.
prices.
hospitals.
You have to exchange
So
the prices. So,
but the main point is that
only for that
the main point is that there is no.
downfall in Indian currency.
Yeah.
Listen. Economy, RBI.
But main point is
From the
the
topic
poor
we have to
people.
discuss
They are not getting any benefits. The main point is that only.
India is a developing country, so we have to develop
Yeah.
everything in each and every field.
But we
Everything can't be developed in one way.
Yeah.
In a particular time, it takes time. So we need to understand the basic problem that
We have to
We
listen
have
The
to-
basic problem is Indian government.
needs of the
I should say.
better storage.
We have to have-
facilities and to reduce the bad things.
And listen, Kunal. Can I?
The problem is in the government only, I think so.
Reducing the
No.
Yeah.
Decisions are in the hands.
The
basic
politicians
decisions are in
and-
the hands of politicians.
Yeah, politicians.
And
Why the government is formed.
entrepreneurs.
Yeah.
to make the
But now the RBI take the various steps to decrease the inflation, to reduce inflation. It reduce the interest rate and repo rate.
It is
So-
only.
It is fake. It is just only,
How
like,
can it
only
fake? How can it fake?
0.5%.
It's a one of the.
they are not doing anything. It's just
They'll
fake.
rise
They are
it
just,
up again.
yeah.
But
They'll
government
rise
is
it up again
but
next
government
year.
is providing many jobs. Job
Yeah.
facilities are increasing.
Yeah.
They are
Employment
increasing
opportunities
many
are
I want to say
incentives.
something. I want to say
Salaries are
Yeah.
increasing too.
Though the
Government is inflation.
Though the job is being provided, but the prices are rising at the
Yeah,
same
that's
time.
the main point.
You job provided.
They are rising.
Basic problem and basic thing that inflation.
Inflation, yeah.
Stick
Talk,
to that.
yeah.
Yeah, but government is
Basic
taking steps to
Control the inflation. To control the inflation.
It is concentrating on the basic problems like food.
But every person
Yeah,
is
Food
not
and petrol is
benefited by.
basic needs.
Yeah, it's,
Human
Can you
being
give
needs
some
to
example?
But we are not seeing. We are.
She has told.
I want to say
She has
something.
told us that food.
Let's give her a chance, please.
food
Yeah,
prices-
let's give her a chance.
We can see that government is focusing on infrastructure, not basic needs.
Yes.
Exactly. Government is focusing on mainly on infrastructure, not basic needs.
Yes.
Yeah, right.
Buildings,
Yeah.
industries.
Listen, can
And she was saying that government is providing many jobs and salaries, they're increasing the salaries, but not every person is.
Yeah, because they are not, every person are not
population is
able
so
to
much,
that with a
the
friend of
government
mine,
provide
because they are not
But for the topic, yeah, right?
Yeah.
That is the concern.
Even government is
No one, everyone is, I think so, neutral. I think so, everyone. Yeah. You are supporting.
Let them explain the topic.
Yeah.
for reducing the inflation price, government opens the ration shops क्या नाम है ओपन gives the क्या नाम है food subsidies to for the poor.
Yeah, they are no use now. They are being closed up.
Exploiting.
And if it is open, they are poor quality of grains and all. They are very poor quality.
They are not keeping in mind the hygiene of the people.
Malls, different major showrooms and all, they have different MRPs, they have different discounts, they have different prices. So
And they are not.
We very well
keeping
know
in mind
about the
the
FDI.
The different MRPs
you
is just
you
because
said-
the
you said that-
consumer is not, we as a
Buying it,
consumer are not aware about that the person from which we are, the person from whom we are buying the product is
how can
on
government
MRP.
control this inflation?
That's the point.
Yeah,
We are discussing.
yeah. So you are in the favor, so you will.
Supporting, if he is supporting, let him.
Yeah.
Just explain your point.
लेकिन क्या नाम है you said that the government is only focusing on the infrastructure and they are
Which kind of infrastructure?
Infrastructure.
yes big
Making roads.
roads and big buildings
The
like-
metros.
But there are no use of poor people. How can poor people be comfortable?
There is lack of storage, better storage facilities.
Yeah, I agree with you. Yesterday in the newspaper it was
It's
that
basically infrastructure you need.
Yeah.
Basically the whole structure you need. It's not about.
first you tell me who made all these buildings, who made all this infrastructure.
Government.
we are deviating from the topic. We have to
Please let
discuss
her
saving.
speak. She wants
Yeah.
to say something.
Government is not utilizing resources very efficiently. First main thing is that
Effective allocation of resources.
yeah,
Lack of understanding. and
management,
contribution.
yeah,
Lack of management.
Lack of.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We
Lack
can
of
say that.
contribution.
Because of all the malpractices taking place in our government also.
Because we must think that if government is corporate society.
We only think at our places, at our home places, but we don't.
Beyond that we don't think.
Main thing is corruption. I think so.
Yes.
Corruption.
Yeah, the main point is this. That's only I want to say.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Inflation. Black money.
The black money and the all issues. Yes.
Adulteration, black marketing, and all.
So the
Buildings
the
will not
main
help
thing
the
is
normal
the
people
government is
to
not
survive.
working
These
effective.
buildings are nowhere in use for us to stay for the daily commodities. These buildings will not come in use.
Yes, I think
Yeah, as he said.
introduction of Lokayuktas in every site can help it.
Okay, would you like to summarize?
As my friend Aman has told us that he is in favor of government, that government is controlling inflation. He told that government is making industries, firms for making use of these normal people. That it is useful for us. But our friend said that this is not tamming the inflation, because it's not useful for the normal people. That are rising prices in the commodities. Normal people cannot afford for that. Like
All the friends of mine discussed that the government is not at all effective in taming the inflation. The government also has taken out various policies, has implemented plans, but is not at all efficient. It's many factors like corruption and other factors. Many factors contribute in which show that the government is not at all effective. One of my friends who has been in the favor of the government, that government has done many things, but from my point of view, I think it's just government has not done up to the limit that it can to tame the inflation.
I think most of them are having common points like.
I think most of us are saying that government didn't take any step to control inflation, and only two of us friends saying that. I think only you, huh? Aman. He's saying that government is taking some steps, but there is no conclusion, because we can't say that government is doing nothing. Means, yeah, government is doing, but not that much. That's the, I think, main conclusion.
Now you can summarize.
Most of us agree with the point that government is unable to tame the inflation. So we can summarize that by saying that we should improve our basically ways of implementing things. Like our system, governmental system, it's very slow. Bill passes and it needs minimum of 1 month, I think, 15 days to Rajya Sabha and something, and it exceeds to 1 year, 3 year and 4 years. So it's very slow type of government, and